Hello everyone, today I want to show you some important apparatus which is used in the lab. As you can see, this is the beaker. In the lab we used to use the beaker for the mixing of different products. And the beaker can be 1000 ml, 2000 ml, 500 ml. 250 ml, 100 ml, and more is smaller than that. Then you can see the spatulas. These are the spatulas. Spatulas are used to take the raw materials, solid or liquid chemicals. This is the conical flask. Sometimes we cannot take directly the oil and liquid chemicals. That time we use funnel, and for actual and good measurement we used to use this measuring cylinders. The measuring cylinder is very important for precise measurement. And this one you can see conical flasks. Conical flask is also important for making a solution or something. So if you are working in the lab, an analytical lab, then you must know these things very well. Thank you, everyone.